So what seems to be the problem?
Well, doctor, lately, me now feel myself, doctor. Me now feel myself, doctor. Me a feel a weird, doctor.
Right.
So, lately now, me meet this girl, doctor. And you know, she just show me a different side to me, doctor. She show me a different world, doctor. And you know, now she gone on holiday with her mother, doctor.
Okay.
And doctor, me just feel different. So me I tell me friend them how me feel. And doctor, them say I love sick, me love sick. And me no want no sickness, doctor. Me no want no disease, doctor. Me no say the girl dangerous, doctor. So me a wonder, doctor, a way you can prescribe
What
for
a
me.
good hour this? A joke you run? You're a comedian.
No, doctor.
You really come here for tell me so you're in love?
Me no in love, me love sick.
Idiot, I same thing. Oh, well, I no, man. God. Me and you have your reason, you know. We have your reason, you know. Because of what kind of patient them you bless me with, lad? Eh? When I know one have body problem, one have pum problem, one come here the other day with a dry foot. Now you send one in here with a brain problem. But no, sir. No, man. How this? Listen. And a love sick are your problem, you know. A stupidness are your problem, you know. You really coming here to come tell me, say, you miss your woman. But you not see a brain problem you have.
I know brain problem. Them say I love
because you
sickness.
take my job for a joke.
No, doctor.
Me look like Egypt. Me must look like a Egypt for you. Me not that kind of doctor, darling. For my qualification, them not serve for that.
Oh.
But no, man. You really coming here to come tell me, say, you miss your woman. But me must look like a joke to you.
So, doctor, you now no medication you
There's
can
no
give me.
medication. There is no medication for that because it is not a real sickness. But the only thing me can prescribe for you is if you go back to school with that the stupidness there.
But doctor, why you this
No,
me so?
man.
Doctor, it's a real sickness, you know. Because me I feel different, doctor.
You're stupid. I'm mad, you're mad. The woman I'm mad you. Yeah,
No, man.
come out.
But doctor.
No bother with it. Cause I vex you, get me
Doctor.
vex. You take my job for a joke.